What's up, it's Miss Brown. Come with a quick tip to help you guys whip your best life. I'm going to show you quickly, basic way, just a beginner way to get whipping with your rope. So you get your handles together, have your rope together. First of all, work on your motions and getting your rope around you from side to side. So here's a slow motion. See, my hips are going opposite sides of my rope, and my rope is going over my shoulder, round and round, kind of like this kind of motion. Yeah. So you practice that. You keep your hand close to your chest or your waist, but just very close to your body. And then you speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Eventually, you can also move your feet too. And have fun with it. But this is your basic way of getting used to whipping your best life too. Give it a try. Don't forget to tag me, Skip Squad Fitness. Skip, dance, live your best life.